So good afternoon guys, tonight I'm making egg noodles, egg pasta. So I put about more than a liter of water and I put salt and magenta and I'm gonna put the oil, just like that's fine, and I let it boil, I use the canola oil. So while that's boiling, I'm gonna just go squeeze on the egg pasta, egg pasta. So like that, nice and easy. Everything. So that's how it's looking, nice and easy. Because we're gonna cook the whole bag. So when the water has come to the boil, empty 250 grams of egg pasta, egg noodles, and then cook it on a medium heat, Stir it through a couple of times, 3-4 times. So on the bag says cook it for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna wait for 9 minutes and then I'm gonna try. So when the egg pasta are cooked, we're gonna use some feta cheese, Greek feta cheese, and some sour cream, and put it on here. I'm gonna grind Greek feta cheese and mix it all together. So the pasta is cooked, and then empty the water from the saucepan. So put it in the big bowl, and then put some sour cream on top. So that's how it looks, beautiful. And then grate some Greek feta cheese on top as well. Lots of Greek feta cheese. So that's how it looks, yummy. Amke's kitchen. Yummy. And then stir it all the way through, So yummy, it looks delicious. Look at it. Yummy, huh? Looks absolutely perfectly delicious. So that is some meal dinner tonight. So bon appetit, I'm here. Bon appetit. So thanks for watching guys. See you later.